crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really want to.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Eyeshadow. If this is your first time here, welcome. I have this gorgeous bridal inspiration, actually northern bridal inspiration for you all today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please watch till the end. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. The product details and everything I use will be in the description box. You can check that out as well. So I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever. And I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
So yeah, I'm back to quickly explain the eyeshadow process for you to understand. So the first thing I did was to use the contour powder to transit. I used the CoverGirl for her transition, and I went in with my Morphe palette. I'm using that orange color there to further deepen the outer corner of her eyes. So you have to blend, guys, as usual. You have to blend everything. I'm using a clean brush now to blend everything together so there won't be any harsh line. Then after that, I moved on to using foundation as the base. If you have any eyeshadow primer, you can make use of it as well. So I went in with this blue color, guys. Any random blue color can go, as long as it's pigmented. You can make use of it. So this is the Beauty Glazed palette, and I'm just taking out the blue from the palette. Then afterwards, okay, because I was going to use pigments and glitters, I decided to just like put setting powder under her eyes to catch any eyeshadow fallout. So now I'm applying the NYX glitter primer so that when I apply the glitter, it had something to hold on to. Very important. If you apply it without a primer or a glue, it's going to fall out. Okay. Then to the part I love most, I lined the eyes first. I lined and stopped a little bit close to the outer corner of the eyes. Then I smudged everything out using a pencil brush and a black eyeshadow because I wanted a very smoky effect at the outer corner of her eye. So that is what I am doing. So you have to blend and use a small pointed brush. This is the only way you can get it to smoke out and not ruin everything you have done. Okay, because we are only concentrating on the outer corner of the eyes, not the whole eye. So that's what I'm doing. I decided to show you both clips so you have a better view of what it looks like. Then I went in to just blend everything together. As I kept on applying the glitters because I wanted it to be like to really be pronounced. Okay, that's the idea. After that, I just went ahead to swipe out this setting powder, and this completes it. Okay, yes, I smudged I've smudged under her eyes to like her bottom, beneath her bottom lash line, so to give that smoky effect as well. Then I just accentuated her inner corner using a lighter pigment. So that is all for the eyes.
And I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am. It's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste it. Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that
Hello guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed and you learned something new. Please leave a comment in the comment section telling me what you love most about this look. And yes guys, if you want to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comment section as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the red button to subscribe. Support your girl, it is free.